Hi everyone, welcome back. Up to last video, we successfully installed SCCM console like SCCM primary site. Okay. Now today I will install client device, Windows 10 client device. Okay. I already created like Windows 10 here. I will delete and I will delete it and then I will start from starting onwards. Delete. Create new Win 10. Selecting the location where I need to show the virtual machine. Select here. Windows 10. Next. 2 GB is enough. Create. Next. 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 Okay. Then I am going to settings. Storage. Here we need to select. Click on disk icon. Here we need to select Windows 10 ISO file. If you go to this, choose disk one file. I already have Windows 10 ISO file. I'm selecting 2004 ISO file. Click OK. Okay. Network setting. I'm selecting as host only. There isn't any other settings as of now. Click OK. Then start it. Now installation is started. Next, install. Okay, I don't have any product key. I'm selecting like if you select home edition, you're not able to join any domain network. That's why I'm selecting like we can able to select education or pro. Other than home, can select any version. Then only you can able to join the domain. Otherwise, if you select the home edition, you're not able to join the home domain. Okay, I'm selecting Windows 10 Pro edition. Pro edition. Okay, click next. I accept. Next. Next. Okay, it will take more than 30 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'm pausing the video. I will resume again. While installing in between, it will restart as well, like virtual machine. No problem. Okay. Now installation is completed. Let's finish these steps. From India, I'm selecting India. Okay. Click yes. Skip. And I don't have internet. Okay, I don't want this. I'm continuing with the limited setup. I'm giving Windows 10. Not giving any password. Click next. Okay, accept. Okay. Windows 10 came installation is completed. Now I will do like changing the host name and turn offing the firewalls, and I will change that network adapter settings as well. Then I will join the domain. Okay, all these things I will cover under this video only. Okay, let start from firewalls. Go to security, firewalls. Okay, turn off. Then go back to here and network. Okay, change adapter settings. Go to properties. Uncheck IPv6 and double click on IPv4. Then I'm changing hostname IP address 10.10.10. I'm giving IP addresses starting from 5. Okay, 10.10.10.1. DNS server IP address is 1. Okay, let me click OK. Now let me ping SCCM server and AD server whether I'm able to ping or not. This is the AD IP address. Okay, I'm able to ping. Then there is no any issue. Then I can able to join this device to AD. Okay, let me ping SCCM server as well. 10.10.10.2. Okay, I'm able to do this as well. Let me change the host name and I will join domain as well. Properties, change settings. Okay, change. I'm giving Windows 10 iPhone 1. This is the Windows 10 first device. I'm giving 1. Then domain is lab.com. Click OK. Okay, I'm administrator. Okay, password. Okay, welcome to lab.com. Okay, you can ignore this one. I will do restart later. Let me install that inputs as well. SPC. Next, install. Install. Okay. I'm restarting now. Windows 10 device. Okay, restart completed. Let me log in. Log in with like from domain account. Now restart is completed. Now device is joined to domain. Okay, let me show you. Okay, westernlab.com. Okay, let me view full screen. Okay. Thanks for watching the videos. Bye.